こんにちは、こんばんは。私はジャグアルです。皆さんよろしくお願いします。I tried to learn Japanese since so long, but I have never been serious enough. I always thought, after watching over 800 episodes of One Piece, I should be able to speak Japanese. So I started to search on the internet, learn Japanese. But it was not enough for me. I bought many books. Still not. Then one day I had an idea. I told myself to learn Japanese, I needed to practice it. I wanted to read in Japanese and have the translation at the same time. That's why I created Japonify, another way to learn Japanese. I hope you will enjoy it and it will be as useful to you as it is to me. Thank you for your support and for sharing it with all your friends. 本当にありがとう。